Well, guys, I figured I'd give you an update of what's going on around here and give you a little update on 55 and talk about a couple things. Let's take a look at the new shop. Well, as you can see, this is the 55 yard truck right here we're working on. We'll get to that in a minute, and for now I'll show you. Got the roof on here, and got it walled in. I got to finish the open spots and put some paint on the inside here and stuff. But it's coming all together. So pretty much together, I have 45 foot of working space now. The boathouse here, when I built it at 16 by 20. So, pretty good, decent area workspace. I got all my bandsaw there, my wood tools, my paint station. I'm in the process of cleaning off this workbench, get all this mess cleaned up, and put a new roof on the boathouse for one. Anyway, so you'll be able to see some good videos here working on wintertime and summertime. For now, I'm going to give you all an update what's going on with the 55. So basically, I have it running. I technically have it driving, but I have to finish putting the clutch together. That's right here. I got to put the pedal together and everything else. Steering's hooked up. The cooling system's coming together. I got new carburetor on it and stuff. But I'm waiting on parts. And unfortunately, I ordered some parts about 3 weeks ago. And 2 weeks in, the day they're supposed to arrive, the mail truck caught on fire. So I've been dealing with trying to get those parts replaced. I've been waiting on. So it's a mess, but the video is going to take longer than I hoped. But it is what it is. I mean, I'm putting something together that had no intention of ever going together in its life. This was a completely seized 306 Ford. And a frame I got for a 68 F100 for 125 bucks. Cab that came with my 55, which is over there. We'll get to her back to summer. And basically a bunch of stuff I had. The seat came with the truck. Shifter's getting changed. The floor's getting repaired a little bit. Bunch of stuff going on back here. I still got to build a boom. That's one of the original tires. I got a tube in there. Tires here in good shape. And I had this one fixed back up and blew a hole in it and the tube exploded, so I got to get a new tire for it too. 15s are getting extremely hard to find for me around here, used anyway. And I mean, it is what it is when it comes to that. I'm putting stuff together here. That's going to take a little while, so if you guys just bear with me. I would like to try to get this all done in one video. I could do a couple video series on it, but I really don't want to do that. But if I do, I mean, there's going to be a couple videos on the truck to start with, but at least try to get it running and driving in one video instead of just running. And have some sort of successful driving around the yard, you know, and having it cooling and stuff. But I've been extremely busy trying to finish this up, and actually a bunch of other projects at the same time. But I mean, it's the way it goes. Basically, when I have the time to get back on this truck here, I will have the video out. In the meantime, I might put a couple little things together, some stuff I've been working on. And it's almost that time again to get started on the fishing vessel, Miss Abby. I know people want to see some videos on her. We'll get back to her this summer. Right now, I'm waiting on to get warm so I can replate the keel and do some fiberglass work on her and get the engine put in her. There's her Perkins engine right there, so we'll get to that as well. And one more thing, I no longer make my living off commercial fishing full time, so there's not really any hurry for me to finish the Miss Abby other than the fact that I want it for myself. There's no really financial reason for me to want to get it done other than the fact just to have it to use. I had the trailer put together with it and stuff, so it's going to take some work to finish her, maybe another year or so on her, but we'll have her pretty much looking good by the end of this year. I'll give you that much of her. But anyhow, this is a little video I want to put together really quick for y'all so you can see what's going on. I have a ton of projects I'm trying to go through all the time, so including another boat over there I'm trying to fix up. So y'all can just kind of bear with me here, and I'll try to get videos out when I can. But meantime, just pay attention for any updates I put out on this truck, and I hope to have it out pretty soon here. But as soon as I can, we'll have the video up, and I appreciate you all for watching and sticking by me. Cheers.